Hey guys, welcome back to FindYourSolution, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can redeem your cash points in PayZapp, step by step, guys. So you can either redeem your cash points into your wallet balance, or you can use it as an online payment mode for other various transactions. So if you want to redeem the cash points in PayZapp, what you want to be doing is you want to go into the PayZapp. So in the PayZapp app, what you want to do is you want to go to the PayZapp cash points widget, which is displayed on the dashboard. And you can also go to the PayZapp menu in the top left corner, then click on rewards, and then click on cash points and offers. Then on this menu, guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on redeem cash points, and you will find the option to change the number of cash points you actually want to redeem, the conversion ratio details, and the value of your cash points. So here, guys, what you're gonna do is you want to select the number of cash points you actually wish to redeem, and then you want to confirm that, okay? And your redeemed cash points will basically be transferred to your PayZapp wallet. And if you want to use this for a transaction, an online payment, what you can do, guys, is while you're making the payment on the PayZapp app, you want to select the change payment method option, and you want to choose cash points as the payment method, okay? And it's important to note that transactions using cash points are possible when the number of cash points is equal to or greater than the transaction amount. If it's not, then your transaction will not go through. So anyways, guys, it is literally that easy and simple. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to find a solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.